What is up guys, today I will show you the advantages of unlocked controller on Ninebot MAX G2 here. As you see, it can go up to 50 km/h very easily. Of course it depends on your weight. In speed mode, in the eco mode it's 25 km/h. In the drive mode it's 32 km/h, so all the modes allow you to go really fast, and starting speed is you can set up to 0. Also, what you can do, you have many options available. So basically this unlocked firmware, it works on a controller that you need to purchase from AliExpress. I will link a link in the description below. Also you need to install it. After installation you will get much more features available. You can use both Segway app and the Scooter Hacking Utility app, and Scooter Hacking Utility app allows you to do really huge customization here. As you see how many settings are available, the throttle, the brake, how it works, motor start speed for example, I set to 0. Cruise control can be available, you can have the modes, light, how it works when you brake for example, you can set it up, and many other like motor settings, system settings, how when it's shut down, auto shutdown when locked, and other parts can be set it up. Also you can flash here, you can update the firmware, you can also change the region, change limits, turn indicator signals, turn alarm, and just see overall information about your scooter. So as you see, I have Europe version 25 km/h, but actually it goes much faster. When you connect to the Segway app, it's actually showing like a 25 km/h scooter, so like a regular scooter, no issues with connection to the stock app. Okay, let's refresh it and connect. I just quit the Scooter Hacking Utility app, so I think it's needed to be reconnected. Okay, as you see, pair device, click on it one time, device paired, so you use it as a regular Segway Ninebot scooter here. Also, I don't know whether updates, I think it's all up to date, but let's try it out. Okay, it's up to date. Total mileage 1.4 kilometers, actually even counted when it's activated in 2025. Quite nice scooter and quite nice customization. Of course you have very limited ability to set up, like energy recover, empirical, custom settings of the sport mode, so very limited functionality. And actually you don't need it, as you can use Scooter Hacking Utility on your phone, where you can customize everything on your device, get the cruise control for example, and many other options that can be available only with the unlocked controller. Again, the link on the control in the description below. Order it from AliExpress, install it. Also you can find the installation guidance in the description below. How I did it, it's actually pretty simple, and you will have all these options. For example, cruise control, you can time, let's click time, cruise control, let's set to eco mode, 5 seconds, so let's try it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here cruise, you see here the cruise sign, and as you see vehicle is spinning, so actually it's working. And when you just stop, it stop, and this option is quite nice to have, and it's really working perfectly. And basically that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If you want to support my channel, you can find the link in the description below. Also you can find the link where to purchase this unlocked controller from Ali. Working well, working perfectly. I really enjoy it, and you can enjoy together with me. Put the thumbs up and see you next time.